2020 isn't exactly a great year for buying sneakers. Aside from getting multiple S at online raffles, it's not practical to buy a new pair, especially since most of us would rather stay at home until there's an actual COVID-19 vaccine out there. But amidst the streak of L's that I got this year, there are a few moments that I got the big W. In that case, I got that big W with this pair. That pair is a Co.JP pair, specifically the Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. It's really surprising that I was able to get it not by raffle but by manually purchasing the pair on their site. Well, who knows? Sometimes you get lucky. Now, let's check out the box. It's not the typical Air Jordan 1 box. Instead of black, you get the nice silver and gray box. The Nike logo on the top lid has a metallic-like finish. You can see there. Then, as for the markings, the size tag is still the same. Yes, I'm still size 11. Then you have their Air Jordan 1 High OG Co.JP. Then the official color is white metallic silver, blank argent metallic. So, what are you waiting for? Let's open this box. Okay, so that's the receipt from Titan, and the wrapper, you get that nice Jordan monogram wrapper with 2001 and 2020 because Co.JP Jordan started in the early 2000s, specifically in 2001. So it's like a 19th year anniversary of sorts. So let's check the pair, and here we have it. This is the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1 High. And if you would notice, it's unlaced because most, if not all, Air Jordan 1 OGs remain unlaced when they're shipped brand new. That's one indicator to know if the shoe has been used or not. You have an extra set of laces in white because the one that's pre-installed is navy blue. Then going to the sneaker, you get that nice metallic silver swoosh. Then the white part here is made of nice soft tumbled leather. Yes, it's very soft to the touch, not just in the toe box and on the quarter panel, but also in the tongue. Instead of the Jumpman branding, you get this embossed Nike Air branding, which is the same way it was branded from 19 years ago with the OG pair. I'm kind of excited and kind of happy that I was able to get an Air Jordan 1 High after 7 years since the Shadows that came out in 2013. Other unique aspects of this sneaker is this Wings logo on the lateral side, which is quite a bit elevated, and it has a plastic-like material. For the tongue, you have that nice 2001-2020 Jumpman branding. I've heard that the original 2001 pair was limited to 25,000, so each pair you get is actually numbered. For the insole, quick look over there, you have that nice Co.JP branding to tell you that, hey, this is an exclusive sneaker, you know. And this is the right pair. Yeah, look at that gorgeous detail. That metallic leather used for the silver swoosh. Tumbled leather, it's really soft. And for the navy blue material that's used here, I'm not sure if it's suede or nubuck, but I think it's more of nubuck because the material, the texture is very fine compared to the usual suede. So yes, this Air Jordan 1 sneaker is really premium. As in, they really made it good quality. You have that nice tumble leather, the tongue, Nike Air logo, which is really unique. Then that nice Co.JP branding on the insoles. And of course, that commemorative 2001-2020 Jordan tag on the back of the tongue, which reminds us of the numbering of the original 2001 pair. A lot of people are into the retro sneakers, especially Jordan 1s, especially the Dunks. People are going crazy for any of these sneakers because one, matibay siya. You see, it's stitched. There's no exposed air bubble, so you wouldn't worry about crumbling midsoles. And two, it's a timeless looking design that you can pair it with anything, with any outfit. It's still a big W for me to get this sneaker. So that's it for now, and I hope you're enjoying this quick video that I made.